Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2020 Harley-Davidson CVO Electra Glide Ultra Limited with 21,360 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips and seats, TPMS, keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, electronic locking luggage, and has been upgraded with a Clockworks windshield and tab performance mufflers. The Electra Glide Ultra Limited is a paragon of the touring class thanks to its premium comfort, rugged power, and weather protection. The CVO variant comes with factory details and striking paint set, adding artistic qualities to distinguish it from other models. Powered by a 117 cubic inch-feet twin motor, the Electra Glide puts 125 foot-pounds of flow and torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 906 pounds and has a 27.7 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.